Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In today's video to the review of the Game Turbo 4.0 in this video. Yes friends, this is my first time making a video on the Game Turbo 4.0. So right now I'm trying to use the Game Turbo 4.0 in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, I'll try to install the same Game Turbo in other smartphones and I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. In this video I'll try to explain each and every small features which got added with the latest Game Turbo 4.0. As you can see friends, this is a new type of animation you are trying to see at this moment. As you can see, the interface completely looks kind of similar to the previous Game Turbo 3.0, so there is nothing much difference going on at this point. But if you try to click on the settings option, as you can see, so once you're in the settings option, even here also general settings, everything is quite similar to the previous options and all. Even the performance mode also is kind of similar. As you can see, there's nothing much improvement has been happened in this point. Additional settings, even in the additional settings also you cannot find major differences, but the huge difference will be there when you're trying to play the game. Only then you'll be able to experience the Game Turbo 4.0 difference. Let me need to start playing the game. So is the game which I'm going to play right now, just for the demonstration purpose only. So we do know whenever you want to enable the Game Turbo toolbar, you need to swipe from the left side. So let me need to swipe from the left to right. As you can see friends, this is a new type of Game Turbo 4.0 interface we are trying to see. So one quick note, so previously it used to be the Game Turbo on the top column, if you remember, as you can see friends, but right now it got enabled with the big screen, so which is kind of similar to the Realme UI which we did see before. So here we do have the floating window applications. All the applications whatever you install in your device, you can actually use them as a floating window. As you can see friends, that's also option is available. So let me to enable one of the floating window application. So it's a Play Store, as you can see friends, which works fantastic without any kind of issue. You can resize and you can minimize and you can increase, as you can see friends. You can even keep the left and right side very small in this way, and if you tap on that one time, it will try to open in the big screen and you can actually close it. So that's the thing about the floating window. And on the top you will be able to see the CPU and the GPU and real-time FPS count as well. As you can see friends, that's another thing. So not only that, there is a small section which called the performance. So once you click on the performance, this will enable you to use the balance settings or maybe with the performance settings. As you can see friends, in this way you'll be able to boost up slightly the performance while playing the game. That's also another good advantage which we did see in this gaming mode. That's fantastic friends. And now let me try to show you another things. So we do have the option to clear the memory, which is a cache memory, as you can see, and all the RAM memory will be cleared. So free up 409 MB, as you can see friends, that's fantastic. And we do have the direct option of the do not disturb mode and taking the screenshot and record option. Everything is pretty similar to our previous options only. There's nothing much huge difference. But one more thing, we do have the brightness control. As you can see friends, we can actually control the brightness from here as well. That's fantastic. As you can see, that is a small change which has got here. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison, Game Turbo 4.0 versus 3.0. Then you will be able to understand the clear difference what is happening. That's how we can actually differentiate. We do have the Wi-Fi option. If you want, you can enable and you can disable that. Screencasting as well, turn off the screen, and none option, which will actually increase the color boosting. As you can see, the color boosting, how much it did increase during the process demonstration. It's fantastic. As you can see friends, a lot of color got boosted just now. That's good. And we do have the voice changer option as well. As you can see, different voice changes. So right now I'm trying to use the different voice settings. Let me need to exactly demonstrate. So these are the girl voice, woman voice, cartoon voice, robot, and which is quite similar with the previous voice changes as well. There's nothing much difference. So I'll try to make separate video where you can actually see any kind of differences or not. This is the timer option which is available for your sessions. Each session you can actually choose different timers, and this timer will be in the floating. As you can see, you can start individual time stopwatches. As you can see friends, that's fantastic. As you can see, in case if you want to have this kind of timer while playing the game, that's also you can actually do it. And this is a complete walkthrough about this Game Turbo 4.0 in this POCO X3. Not only in the POCO X3, you can install even in other phones as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and this is a quick review about this Game Turbo 4.0 in under 4 minutes. I thought of making this kind of video. And in case if you want me to do any other in-depth comparisons, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to compare with the another Game Turbo 3.0 as well as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. I'll try to play the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, and then I'll try to do the gameplay test as well. Stay tuned for those videos. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.